Welcome to the world of molecular gastronomy. Yes, molecular gastronomy, this is the name of the subject, and this video is just an introduction to this subject, molecular gastronomy. To study this subject, the knowledge of physics and chemistry both are required. Okay, to study this subject, basic knowledge of physics and chemistry both are required. And what is this subject actually? This subject is the science of cooking. Yes, science of cooking. This is known as molecular gastronomy. Because you know that ingredients in foods are what? Those are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and water is also there. So how they interact with water or how they interact with themselves, to know that thing, the subject knowledge of molecular gastronomy is required. And what is the requirement for cooking? All these things. Yes, if you are habituated in visiting restaurants, means I am talking about expensive restaurants frequently, then you might have the experience of observing the foods in a different way. Because homemade foods, that is known to you, and foods at expensive restaurants, yes, I am talking about expensive restaurants, their foods look somewhat different. Aromas are different of the foods, textures are different, visual appeals are different. Okay, taste, of course, this is also different. So everything is different. Means the foods at restaurants look very attractive. So you can easily enjoy those foods. Okay. People get attracted to such foods. Most of the people get attracted to those foods. If you have the experience, if you don't have such experience, then you may not feel the requirement of enjoying foods at restaurants or at different places or at different occasions. Such arrangements are made. Means they prepare special kinds of foods. So I am giving you such just few examples, such as foams. Foams are made from liquids, and for that purpose one thing is required, that is emulsifier, such as lecithin. Lecithin is used for the transformation of liquid into foam. Okay, liquids such as juices are used, then froths are used, even coffee can be used to form foam from liquids. Okay, and for that purpose the emulsifiers are required. I have given you just one example, lecithin. Then spherification is also done. Means liquids are transformed into spheres. Okay, you might have the experience of this thing. Spherification is done. Say mango juice is available, so you can transform that mango juice into spheres. So you will get a totally different experience whenever you are taking that mango sphere, that pearl of mango, into your mouth. It will burst into your inside your mouth, and it will give you a different experience. Means you can enjoy that pearl of mango, which is different from normal mango juice. So spherification is done. So for that purpose, special ingredients are required, such as sodium alginate is required. And with sodium alginate alone is not sufficient. Sodium alginate and calcium chloride both are required. Okay, so this way spherification is done. Then liquid nitrogen is also used at restaurants for the freezing of items quickly, to freeze food items quickly. Liquid nitrogen is used, and that gives the food a different thing, a different visual appeal. Okay, that will look visually attractive because texture will be different of that food, aroma will be different. Okay, that purpose many things are done, and those are special things. and 4 special things, special ingredients are required. And all those ingredients must be edible, okay? Because you are going to consume those foods. That means that those items should not be harmful to your health. Again, one more thing is done, jellification. Means liquids are transformed into jellies. For that purpose, a special kind of agent is required. That agent is known as here agar-agar. Agar-agar is used to transform liquids into jellies. These are used for sauces, desserts, etc. Okay, so I have just mentioned here a few examples. And to do such experiments, high-tech lab is not required at all. Yes, high-tech labs are used to do such experiments, but you can do such experiments at your home kitchen also. At your home, in your kitchen, where you cook your everyday foods, everyday items. Okay. And the special ingredients, normally these are not available at your home. So for that purpose, everything is available online. So you can order online, you can purchase all those things online. Okay. So this is just an introduction to this subject, molecular gastronomy. From outside, some noise is coming. Please ignore that noise. Okay. Anyway, so this is just an introduction to the subject, molecular gastronomy, and you can easily try these special things at your kitchen, at your home, right? Anyway, so this was all about today's video. The introduction to subject name is molecular gastronomy. Once again, I want to say the same thing, that to study this subject, to some extent knowledge of physics, to some extent knowledge of chemistry, both are required. Okay, anyway, so this is the end of this video, right? Thank you for watching this video.